guys, welcome to MADHU'S Culinary Classics. Today's recipe is yummy and super delicious aloo wrap. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 1 cup of wheat flour, add salt as per the taste, 2 teaspoons of ghee. Gradually add water and knead the dough. Let it rest for about half an hour. In a bowl, add 3 teaspoons of corn flour, salt as per the taste, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, gradually add water and make it a semi-thick batter. Then add 2 teaspoons of Maida and mix it well. In a pressure cooker, take 2 medium-sized potatoes, add water and pressure cook them. Smash the boiled potatoes. Add salt as per the taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, some shredded cheese, 2 teaspoons of rice flour, mix it well. Now prepare a cylindrical shape from the prepared dough. Dip it in the batter. And roll it in the breadcrumbs. In a grill pan, drizzle some oil, place the prepared patty, cook it until it turns golden brown. For toppings, I have used sliced carrot, shredded cabbage and sliced onions. In a chapati, add 1 teaspoon of ketchup, some oregano, red chili flakes, add sliced onions, shredded cabbage, sliced carrot and prepared patty. Here our yummy and super delicious aloo wrap is ready to serve. For more such videos, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to watch the next video. Do try this recipe and share with us in our social media handles. Bye.